Hi guys, Carl from Studio In Car. Really quick video this one. Just a nice sneaky Saturday number. We've just put an Audison AP-F8.9Bit in David's Defender 110. Now it already had a Mille Legend freeway front end with our underseats, mid-ranges, and Mille's just sort of on the dash top there. It's got a Blaupunkt Bremen SQR 46 DAB and an Audison AP-10. It was basically a real simple system, just built to a nice high level, and the AP-F8.9 has just, you know, adding DSP and a decent amp in there has really just took the system off. I don't know if you can hear the drums in the background. I should probably turn that down. But I'm just going to walk you around it, show you what's been done, and yeah, no mic because the mic messes with my, well, the gimbal messes with the mic, so I'd really rather it didn't sound like that. But hopefully you picked something up over the mic on the camera. Just show you around the back where the subwoofer is. So you can see in the side panels, all the carpeting and everything has been done by us as well, so it makes it quite a nice place to be. We put the lights in the ceiling. So yeah, that's the 110. It treads the same path as a lot of the 110s that we do and a lot of the 90s that we do, and yeah, worked really well. So thanks for watching. I'm Carl for Studio In Car. Everything's down below for you to follow, like, subscribe, get in touch with us if you've got a 110 or 90 or whichever. Thank you very much. Bye.